Mistplay not showing in your App Store usually comes down to one thing: region restrictions or device compatibility, not the app being removed completely. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why Mistplay disappears from search and how to get it back on your phone safely. The key idea is simple. Mistplay is not available in every country, and app stores hide it automatically if your account region or device doesn't match the supported list. Start with the most common cause: your region. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store settings and check your country. If your account is set to a region where Mistplay isn't officially supported, it won't appear in search results at all. This happens even if the app is installed on other devices. If your region is correct, the next issue is device type. Mistplay is designed for Android. On iOS, it may not appear depending on availability in your country or current rollout status. If you're on an iPhone and can't find it, it's not a bug on your phone. It's an availability restriction. Now, check your Play Store cache. Go to Settings Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, then Clear Cache. This forces the store to refresh search results. A corrupted cache can hide apps temporarily after updates. Next step is search method. Instead of searching Mistplay, try typing the full name slowly and checking spelling. Some users miss it because search autocorrects or filters results based on past downloads. If it still doesn't show, try installing from a direct browser search. Open Chrome, search Mistplay Google Play Store official link, and tap the Direct Play Store listing. This bypasses in-app search filters, and often reveals apps that don't show in search results. Another factor is parental controls or content filters. If your Google account has family link or restricted content settings enabled, certain apps won't appear in search. You'll need to disable restrictions or switch to an unrestricted account. Finally, check for Play Store updates. An outdated store version can fail to index apps properly. Update Google Play Store, restart your phone, and search again. Here's a quick recap. Mistplay is usually missing because of region limits, device restrictions, or Play Store filtering. Fix it by checking your account region, clearing Play Store cache, and using a direct browser link. Your next step is simple. Open your browser, search the official Mistplay listing, and try installing it from there. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes and troubleshooting guides.